When a damaged connector or faulty outlet threatens productivity, experience uninterrupted power flow and seamless business operations with Elcom's new line of IEC Power Connectors, power entry modules, and power distribution units designed to quickly restore your power connection with minimal delay. Our new line of rugged IEC power connectors and power entry modules come in a range of mounting styles, terminations, and precise IEC types, from C13 to C20, tailored to your exact needs. Our snap-in assembly power entry modules offer versatile options, including mains inlets and outlets, switches, fuse holders, and voltage selectors. For robust power distribution, explore our field-tough PDUs, featuring 4, 5, and 6 outlets with shuttered protection and EMI filtering. Keep your operations powered on with Elcom's latest innovations, all ready for same-day shipping. Discover our complete range of products at elcom.com and ensure that if it's critical, it's Elcom.